Well, here's a lovely one in this morning for full Dynodaze health checks. Version R. It is pretty, isn't it? Okay, so health checks commenced, and that's not a very big exhaust, is it? And this is the problem with the version R's. That's about an inch, so that's really not helping there. And this is the part that Richard always talks about with the limited flow on these. Yeah, that's not going to help. That's about. See, look, it's only the same width as my finger. Perspective.
Moped?
No, Jason, I mean light up the bit where I'm trying to look for the... There we go, thanks, Jason.
Oh, not there?
No, that's not helping me.
Sorry, mate.
Right, so as you can see with the stock intercoolers on the version R's, I can't hold that and this. The pipe comes out the turbo and goes forwards, past the intercooler, round back into the intercooler and then up, which is why it's pathetic. So it needs a decent... It does really need a decent... I'm feeling a Mackey's breakfast, you know.
I might order a Greg's, you know.
A Greg's?
Yeah.
I didn't know you could get Greg's.
Yeah, Greg's breakfast.
What would you have from Greg's for breakfast?
Sausage roll.
That's dirty, ain't it?
Yeah.
Anyway, stock exhaust system all the way to this this back box, which is all right on like your moped, but it's too thin and it really does crush down here to about an inch, which is no good. Underneath the vehicle is looking very nice. It has been undersealed, so Jason's going to go around and check all the bushes now. But yeah. Well, there she is. She's back out of the workshop, and it's had the full Dynodaze health checks. And yeah, it's not a bad one, you know. It's got the usual things that we mentioned. So we've got the intercooler issue, which is not sufficient really in comparison to a CZT. The exhaust, whilst the tip is very lovely, it's unfortunately it's very restrictive. So we're saying for sure, we know that this car doesn't run on 99 RON fuel, and we think it should. So he's going to go and put a tank of 99 in and see how we get on. And then at some point, yeah, intercooler and exhaust, and the map. It's got a nice turbo swap valve on it. It's got the correct K&N induction kit on it. It's a beautiful car. It's got a few. We've got a health check list of a few things that need doing to it, etc. But for the purposes of this video, just showing you what a lovely car it is, and yeah, another one through the Dynodaze doors that we're happy with. What a beautiful colour. Beautiful colour.